Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new blockchain wallet account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump in. You can create your blockchain wallet account on your web browser, iOS, and your Android device. I'm doing this on my computer web browser. Start by clicking open any web browser you want. In the search area, type in www.blockchain.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of blockchain. Go and click on the sign up button in the top right corner if you want to create a new account. If you already have one, you can click on the login link, enter your credentials, and log into your account. In today's video, since we are creating a new wallet, let's click on sign up. Now, the first step you'll need to perform while creating a blockchain wallet account is to enter your email address into the Your Email text box. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you have an access to. Now, head over to the next text box where it says password and create a password for your account. While creating a password for yourself, make sure you use at least 8 characters long password. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you create a password that matches the criteria, double check your password by clicking on this eye icon in the right corner. This will help you reveal your password so that it will be easier for you to check. Now, confirm the password by typing it again in the text box. Make sure to type in the same password, and once the password matches in these boxes, you can click on this button where it says, I understand that blockchain.com never stores passwords and therefore cannot recover or reset my password. So if I lose access to my wallet, I must use my secret private key recovery phrase to access my funds. So after you create your password, you'll need to go ahead and once you do that, click on Create Wallet. Now, blockchain has sent a verification email to the following email address that you just entered before. So all you need to do is go and click on the link that is attached to the email address. Let's open up a new tab and go to the email address of yours that is associated with the account. Since I signed up using my Gmail account, I'm going to open up my Gmail inbox and there I have an email from blockchain.com. All you need to do is to click on this Yes, I confirm this is my email address box for your email verification and a new tab will open up. Wait for a few seconds and your email is verified. You can return to the previous tab to access to your blockchain wallet. That's this tab over here at the top left. And there you have been signed up for blockchain. You'll end up in the home screen of blockchain, and that's it. Your wallet has been now created. You can use blockchain for the security transfer for items like money, property, contracts, and much more. Now, once you've created a blockchain wallet account, you should start completing the 3 key security features. One is to verify your email address that you'll be performing during the sign-up process. Other is to set up the 2-factor authentication. Quickly go to your security at the top right corner and click it on. You'll be able to see 3 options. Since I've already verified my email, the first option is checked, which means I'm done with the first step. Now, for the second step, you'll need to go and click on the Enable option right next to 2-step verification. You can enable the 2-step verification via SMS code on your mobile phone, UBK, or Google Authenticator. This is done in order to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Simply select one of the options and complete the verification process. I'm going to use the mobile phone number option. Click it on and you'll need to type in your phone number after selecting your country from the drop-down. Now after everything's done, click on Get Verification Code and you'll receive a code on your phone number that you just typed in. Type in the code that you received on your mobile phone into the text box. After you're done, click on Submit Code and now you've completed the second step as well. Now the last step is to write down your backup phrases. Click on Backup Funds right next to the option. And now, at the right-hand corner, there will be a pop-up. Go to the information first and click on View Secret Private Key Recovery Phrase. Copy your recovery phrase and store it somewhere safe where no one will be able to access it. Your backup phrases is the most important of all security measures. It is the key to ensure your access to your funds if you forget your password or when blockchain is unavailable. Click on Next and reveal more secret private keys. Remember that you should store all of the 2-word words since you'll need to make it work in times when you've forgotten your password and can't get access to your account. Click on Next one more time and confirm your phrases by typing all the words into each boxes. After you're done typing in the first confirmation page, click on Confirm and click on Close. And you have successfully backed up your secret phrases as well. That was how you can keep your account secure after you create a new account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.